You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KE74 in Indianapolis.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central Indiana. Day 1, today and tonight, the wind which pushed through overnight has brought unseasonably warm air to the region. Temperatures will climb up to the lower 70s by early afternoon. A strong cold front will push through the area by mid-afternoon, bringing showers and thunderstorms. There is the potential for these storms to become severe with large hail, damaging wind gusts and isolated tornadoes. Please listen to your NOAA weather radio for updates on watches and warnings for your area. Days 2 through 7, Friday through Thursday. A strong low-pressure system will arrive soon after the cold front passes through. Temperatures will plummet to the upper 20s behind the front, which will result in rain changing to snow. There is the potential for winter storm conditions across central Indiana during this time. Spotter information statement: spotter activation may be needed this afternoon into tonight. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 649, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby and Tipton. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
1 hour later.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Marion County, eastern Hendricks County, western Johnson County, southeastern Boone County, northeastern Morgan County, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:15 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located from Coatesville to North Salem to Stylesville, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 75 miles per hour and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impacts: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clayton, Amo, Brownsburg, Pittsboro, Maplewood, Indianapolis International Airport, 6 Points, Friendswood, Claremont and Figure, Fox Hill, downtown Indianapolis, Cartersburg, Speedway and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a winter storm statement for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Boone, Brown, Carroll, Clay, Clinton, Davies, Decatur, Delaware, Fountain, Greene, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Howard, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Knox, Lawrence, Madison, Marion, Martin, Monroe, Morgan, Montgomery, Owen, Park, Putnam, Randolph, Rush, Shelby, Sullivan, Tippecanoe, Tipton, Vermilion, Vigo and Warren. Winter storm watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Monday morning. What? Heavy snow accumulations are possible across the region with the potential for blizzard conditions. Winds will gust upwards of 70 miles per hour at times, reducing visibilities to near zero. Temperatures will plummet to the lower 20s Friday evening and drop further into the teens and single digits Saturday morning and during the day. Wind chills will be well below zero. Where? Across central Indiana. When? The snow will be heaviest from Saturday afternoon and evening through the day on Christmas. Additional details: be prepared for treacherous driving conditions due to blowing snow and strong winds. Make sure to plan accordingly and reach your holiday travel destination before the height of the storm Saturday evening through Christmas Day. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for Marion County, northern Johnson County, northeastern Morgan County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes were located along a line extending from Claremont to 6 Points to 3 miles east of Mooresville, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. A storm spotter observed a fungal cloud near Avon with this storm. Hazard, tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Damage to homes, businesses and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Indianapolis International Airport, Speedway, Beech Grove, Irvington, downtown Indianapolis, University Heights, Homecroft, Southport, Friendswood, Miller and Warren Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for Marion and northern Johnson counties. Tornado emergency for the city of Indianapolis. At 6:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous wedge tornado was located near Indianapolis International Airport and moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a life-threatening situation. Act now to protect your life. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, law enforcement and trained weather spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Trees will be completely uprooted or snapped in tornadic winds. The tornado will be near, Downtown Indianapolis by 6:25 p.m., Fountain Square by 6:30 p.m., Irvington by 6:35 p.m., Warren Park by 6:40 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed and is heading for densely populated areas. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Marion County Emergency Management Agency. The large tornado that swept across the county has caused significant damage. Numerous large trees and power lines are down. More than 650,000 residents are currently without power at this time. Many homes have suffered severe damage across the area, with some structures being completely ripped apart by tornadic winds. At this time, residents are being asked to not travel across Marion County for any reason. If you absolutely must travel, use extreme caution to avoid any road obstructions, including downed power lines. Trying to handle fallen lines will result in electrocution and possibly death. It is unclear at this time when power will be restored to all residents. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information and updates from your local authorities, as well as the National Weather Service.
This is a blizzard statement for the following counties: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby and Tipton. Blizzard warning in effect from 1 a.m. Sunday through 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. What? Heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations of 18 to 24 inches are expected with local amounts of 30 to 40 inches possible. Winds will gust up to 75 miles per hour, creating massive amounts of blowing and drifting snow. Trees and power lines may be downed as a result of the strong winds, creating a dangerous situation if power becomes unavailable. Temperatures will struggle to reach 15 above zero, and the strong winds will make wind chill values reach near 45 below to 50 below. Where? All of central Indiana, including the Indianapolis metropolitan area. When? 1 a.m. Sunday through 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Additional details: residents who have been displaced from their homes due to the severe weather that occurred in the area almost 2 days ago should be prepared to head to an emergency shelter to sit out the storm and stay warm. Any travel plans should be rushed to completion now before conditions become too dangerous. Travel will become near impossible during the height of the storm during the day on Christmas. Watch for any announcements from authorities concerning road conditions. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indiana State Emergency Management. Conditions across central Indiana have greatly deteriorated. Already 20 inches of snow have fallen across the area, with an additional 9 to 12 inches expected throughout the remainder of the day. Travel has become impossible and deemed extremely unsafe. Travel has been prohibited in Marion County, including the Indianapolis metropolitan area. Anyone caught traveling on the streets will be fined $1,500. Almost all residents of Marion, Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, and Tipton counties are without power at this time. This has resulted in about 16 deaths from hypothermia due to lack of heat. If you lose power and plan on running a generator, make sure that the generator is located outdoors and is properly ventilated. Space heaters should also be properly ventilated and used only if they are operating properly. Make sure snow does not block exhausts and fresh air intakes for high-efficiency furnaces and water heaters. If you have a life-threatening situation, emergency vehicles will most likely not be able to reach you. Do not attempt to transport anyone in your home to a medical facility. You will become disoriented in white health conditions and become stranded. Stay in your current location and civil authorities will make every possible attempt to reach your location. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for further details and updates on this dangerous situation.